Welcome back to my channel. I'm Blair if you're new here, and this is going to be a part 3 of my spring cleaning. Well, not today. I've been doing this all in one day, but I'm breaking it up for you guys. So this part, we're going to do the spare bedroom, my bedroom, and the 2 bathrooms. Same concept, baseboards, crown molding, floors, pull all the furniture so I can get underneath those. Probably do blinds and windowsills again, and then of course I will spray for bugs at the end. Oh, and the ceiling fan. So I'm gonna start in the spare bedroom because this is gonna be the most amount of work, and the spare bathroom, and then we'll go into the master bath, and lastly my bedroom. Now my bedroom, because I just recently mounted my TV and did some changes in there, I have pulled the furniture in a lot of those places and I've already cleaned, and that was like maybe a month or 2 ago. So I'm not gonna do that. I may pull a few things out of the way so I can simply spray, but I'm not gonna move everything in that room, so that'll be last. But let's get started on, let's do the windows first, and then I'll work around the room and do the rest.
Dreams can last forever, 'cause I still dream of you. And waking up together is like heaven made for 2. All the other guys got cash for days. I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name on them. Sign your name on them. I don't see the point of the bling bling bling. Just even know my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I don't wanna waste even another day. I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you.
Alright, windows are done. I tie the curtains up like that so that way they're not in the fluid when I spray later. Next part is to kind of move what I can to the center of the room while I vacuum top, bottom, and then I can spray. I usually put the nightstands on the bed.
Time is just a number, but number 1 is you. And even when we're older, yeah, to me we're still brand new. Yeah, all the other guys got girls for days. I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name on them. Sign your name on them.
Okay, bedroom's been sprayed. I'm gonna let this sit for a few. And then we're gonna work on the spare bathroom. Basically, I'm gonna vacuum again baseboards. I do wipe the base of the toilet because this is the only time of year I typically do. Today I'm gonna attempt to clean the shower doors, and then we'll spray in here, and this one will be all done as well.
Pick it down for your hand, girl, this is it. Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I don't wanna waste even another day. I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body. Yeah. I just wanna love every time we say sorry. Yeah. Big it dad for your hand, girl, this is it. Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. Yeah. I don't wanna waste even another day. I don't want.
Spare bathroom's done. I'm gonna put the spare bedroom back together so it can finish drying, and then we'll take a slight break, and then I'll go into the master.
Wait any longer. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your
so I put the spare bathroom back together. I'm gonna leave the ceiling fan on while it continues to dry in here. Okay, so last bedroom is the master. So I'm gonna start with the ceiling fan, blinds, windows. I'll vacuum the areas that I didn't do when I put down the rug and all that stuff. And then we can move anything that needs to come off the floor, like this stuff. And then I can spray. I also stripped my bed this morning and washed the pillows, which I don't do a lot, but they kind of needed a little bit of a fluff job. So I wash them, and then I use like a tennis ball in the dryer to kind of fluff those up. But I intentionally did this because I knew I was doing the ceiling fan. For whatever reason, my bedroom fan gets like a ton of dust on it. So when I go to dust it, it's probably going to fall in the bed, and it's a little easier to kind of vacuum that off than it is to do my bedding. Plus the bedding's being washed, so that's good. I think that's what we need to do in here. So, and I probably won't make the bed until after I've sprayed and let it sit for a few, and I've started working on the spare bathroom. So I'm going to go grab the vacuum. Check the bedding stuff that's in the dryer because it did shut off, but a lot of times I have to run it again because they kind of get wadded up, so I need to sort that out. And then we'll come in here and start working. Okay, I'm gonna go start on that. Also, I did do the spare bedroom. My camera didn't turn on, so I didn't get to show that, but I did do it. So let's do this one.
I just wanna love every time we say sorry. I just wanna love you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Every inch of your body. Yeah. You. I just wanna love every time you say sorry. Yeah. Every inch of your body. Dreams can last forever, 'cause I still dream of you. And waking up together is like heaven made for two. All the other guys got cash for days. I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name.
This room is pretty much done. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray. And then I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit while I work on the master bathroom. And then once I'm at least to a point where I'm not gonna be getting wet from cleaning the shower, I'll come try to assemble the bed back together. Then I'll go back and finish that bathroom. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray in here, and then we will move to the bathroom. Okay, so this bathroom, kind of the same thing. I'm gonna do base of the toilet, pull everything out, vacuum, baseboards, crown molding. The only difference is this one doesn't have a glass door, but I'm going to try to wipe the tile a little bit because I don't do that all the time. I usually just do the tub and the faucets. So I'm gonna start with the toilet after I pull some stuff out of here.
Sign your name on him. I don't see the point of the bling bling bling. Just even know my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I don't wanna waste even if the day, I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. Time is just a number, but number one is you.
I wasn't planning on this, but I'm actually gonna clean the shower head top. I didn't realize how dirty it was from the guy that came to fix my ceiling. So I'm gonna do that real quick.
And even when we're older, yeah, to me we're still brand new. Yeah, all the other guys got girls for days. I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name on them. Sign your name on them. Pick it down for your hand, girl, this is it. Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you.
Okay, I'm gonna let the bathroom dry a little bit. I'm gonna come back in here and put everything back furniture-wise. And finally put the bed back together. Then we can go put everything back in the bathroom, and then I'll be done. But let's go ahead and get this room kind of started to be put back together.
I just wanna love you. I don't wanna waste even another day. I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body. Yeah.
Alright, so the bathroom and the bedroom is pretty much put together. I still need to unravel the curtains once the spots are dry on the floor. And then just slide a few things back to their normal spot. But this is, again, how I spring clean, like my bedroom, spare bedroom, and the bathrooms. And I hope you enjoyed. I caution you if you attempt to do all 3 of these parts in one day like I did. It's definitely very tiring and I'm very sore, but I'm ready for my shower. And my iced coffee is my treat. And then I'm gonna pretty much watch TV for the rest of the day and relax. But I definitely hope everybody had a blessed day and that you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time.